What's up, everyone? My name is Roberto Cáceres, and I'm going to tell you the story when I went to Cancun. And yes, it was an amazing trip. The first day I arrived, I all the trip I was with my cousin, and yeah, I do a lot of activities. Uh, I remember the first day is because it was like different activities all day, and but almost all of the time we were swimming. So yeah, we were swimming, and for example, the first day, I remember it was like a volleyball tournament. We played volleyball, and then yeah, then we ate uh, like tasty food. Like it was a buffet, and it was so delicious. Well, every day was like different types of food. So for example, the first day it was like volleyball for activities, and then for food, uh, for food was like yeah, first day is Mexican, so tacos. And then the second day is like, okay, so it's soccer day or basketball day. Well, the second day was football, so or soccer. And then the in the part of the of the lunch and the dinner, it was like Mexican. And yeah, it was so cool. uh, so an amazing trip that I will love to have again. Yeah.